viewers, it's your girl Jennifer again, and you're all welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here or you've been watching my video and you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please click on the red subscribe button below to get subscribed to my YouTube channel, and also the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. I also want to say thank you to my amazing 500 subscribers. You guys are awesome. Thank you for your support. Thank you for always stopping by to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate it. God bless you all. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make carrot, potato and rice for your 6-month-old baby. Not just 6-month-old baby, for babies above 6 months of age. So guys, stay tuned, don't go away, let's get started.
Over here, I have some rice, carrots and potato. I'll start by cutting the carrots and potato into small pieces. The next thing I'm doing now is to wash the already diced carrots and potato. And when I'm done washing them, I will put them in a clean pot. The next thing I'm doing now is to wash the rice with hot water. The reason why I'm using hot water to wash this rice is because I will not parboil it. And when I'm done washing the rice, I will add it together with the potato and carrots. Then add half a cup of water, boil on a medium heat until they are well cooked. At this point, they are well cooked, as you can see. So guys, the next thing I'm doing now is to sieve out the water from already cooked carrots, rice and potato. Put them into the blender and add half a cup of water and then blend everything together for 20 seconds. Now the baby food is ready. Can you see that? This is a must try for all mothers. It's very nutritious and also delicious as well. So guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to leave a comment down in the comment section. I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you all.